Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to another unboxing show on my channel, courtesy of me, Intro Link. That's me. Hey, how's it going out there, YouTube land? Well, you can see, I got a Galaxy S10 Plus here, and that's actually the focus of today's unboxing show. Is we're going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This is the blue model. See, box looks like this. Just so you know, where the palm of my hand is the I and the I serial number, all that good stuff. So I'm obviously not showing that on cam. There's the back of the box if y'all can see that. But I will show you this. See? Right then, if y'all can see most of this anyway. See that? You can see this, it's made in Vietnam rather than China. Guess China got too expensive or something. Or the little tariffs. Oh well. That's not the focus of this video. The focus is this unboxing here. So, first thing you got to do is, they already did this for me at the T-Mobile store, but there's these little stickers. You got to clip, one here, one here. You can cut them, peel them off, whatever, I don't care. Open it up. And here's your grand prize of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, all blue. It's even turned on for me too. Yay. There's the back of that. Set that to the side for now. Just so you know, this sticker has the warranty stuff. If you got to claim it for warranty or trade it in or whatever, save this sticker, because on the back it's got the IMEI serial number and all that good stuff. As you can see, here's another SIM card from T-Mobile. See? Now, of course, on the back it's got, all the information for that, but whatever. Yeah, I'm not showing that just in case I got to use that SIM card. Here is the fast charging block for the S10 Plus. A USB on-the-go adapter, Type A in the back. Goes to Type C, which is what the phone is, Type C. Inside this little box here is the charging plug, charging/data plug. Gotta try not to brute force this thing. Boom, there it is. You also get a nice set of wired AKG headphones, also made in Vietnam, by the way. There's the two headphones that comes into the ears right here. There's a cord. It's got one of those little cloth cords on there, so that's pretty cool. And in that, nothing. And here we got one of those Samsung pamphlets in here. I'll try and get that out. It's a little bit of a pain, but it will come out. I swear, they made this so tight. It's almost like you got to destroy this box in order to free the little Samsung pamphlet thing out of here. Oh well, I found a way in. Push this box, put this notch in, bring it down, boom. As you can see, you got a SIM card removal tool here. And if we open this up, right then, as you can see, there's something from T-Mobile here. There's also more things in here too. I'm trying to dig out of here. Okay, so here's the little white cover you put on the front of your screen. Here's a warning here. It has a screen protector all built in. If you want to reboot and get a different screen protector, make sure it allows for all touchscreen features, including the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Here's the T-Mobile pamphlet here. Warranty, limited warranty, return, terms and conditions, all that good stuff. Got a quick start guide here, also from T-Mobile. Transfer what's important, get the most out of your phone, health and safety information, and more terms and conditions. So I guess that pretty much covers it for this unboxing. Hopefully I'll get a review going of this Note 8 here, so yeah. That's why you're seeing my little crappy iPhone, or not iPhone, but iMac camera, rather than the Note 8 camera, because they kind of took back the Note 8. So yeah. Nice thing I like about this already is that it's got 3 cameras back here. And it's also got 2 cameras up at the top here. So that way we can have some pretty cool looking YouTube content for the future here. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm Adventure Link. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your support, past, present, and future. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, etc., you know where to take them to. Please take them down to the YouTube comments below this video. Be sure to rate, subscribe, share with your friends and family and other people who's wanting to shop for phones. And if you never want to miss another video from me again, you gotta ring that bell. Medical bills and social media donations are in the video description. Please consider following me on social media. Consider donating. Even if any amount helps out, and as Game for the Great would say, they'll keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Now we're going to sign off with the wise words of wisdom from American Car Guy, reminding you guys to be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. And as Eric Go would say, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support, past, present, and future. I was looking forward to seeing you for the next video. Take care. Have a good rest of your day, evening, whatever time of day this is for you.